In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable thumbnail image in Google Slides. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're working on presentations or digital content that requires interactive elements. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Google Slides. You can do this by simply searching Google Slides on your search engine or typing slides.google.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, it's a pretty straightforward process. Just use your Google credentials to log in and you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. At the Google Slides home, you'll have the option to either click on a blank presentation or select one of the available templates that might fit your needs. For this tutorial, let's choose a blank presentation to keep things simple. This blank canvas gives us the flexibility to design exactly what we want without any preset constraints. With your new blank slide open, it's time to select an image that will serve as your clickable thumbnail. This is a crucial part of the process as this image will be front and center, enticing your audience to click. You can insert an image by going to the top menu, clicking on Insert, and selecting Image. From here you can choose an image file from your computer, or alternatively try out the options to search the web or use a photo from your Google Drive. After you've inserted the image, you'll want to make it clickable by adding a hyperlink. Click to select the image and then head up to the toolbar where you see the Insert Link icon, which looks like a small chain link. Click on this and a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to paste or type the URL you wish to link to. This could be a web page, a document, or any digital resource you want to direct your viewers towards. Once you've entered the URL, click apply, and just like that, your image is now a clickable thumbnail. And there you have it, your interactive clickable thumbnail is ready to go. It's such a powerful way to direct viewers to additional content or resources with just a click. Remember to double check that your link works by entering present mode and testing the clickable functionality. This step ensures everything works seamlessly when others interact with your slide presentation. With these simple steps, you can add interactive elements to your presentations or digital projects, making them more engaging and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this. Until next time, keep creating